Lady, be careful! You totally messed up my hairstyle! And who are you? Hi. Elphaba!
May I come in?
Welcome in!
Awesome!
And who are you?
I want to join this club! I've got a magic broom too! Watch me fly!
No, not this! Close all the doors! No!
Ouch!
Entry for wizards only! Can't help you!
No! That's not fair! Who's crying so loud? Someone needs my help.
Whoa, she's fast!
I heard someone crying. Poor thing. Let me help you. Thanks! Don't cry. I'll make you a wizard. But first, wipe those tears. Wow, cool trick! Great, now let's go home. There's a shortcut. Follow me. Welcome to my room. Wow, it's so cool here. I designed it myself. Troom, trick. This fabric is for you. Thanks. I know exactly what to do with it. Wow, you're amazing at sewing. Done. What do you think? Beautiful. A real wizard skirt. Spin around. So pretty. Ouch! Are you okay? Let me help you. Poor thing. What happened to your face? Oops! What about it? Look in the mirror. I'm a monster! Don't cry or it'll get worse. I know how to fix this. Everything you need is right here in my makeup bag. Wow! I love you! Oh. Perfect! Oh, what's she doing over there? Whoa! Ta-da! So, am I gorgeous now? With that makeup, you could join the circus, but it's not the right look for us. Then what do I do? A little magic never hurts. Now that's beauty. Perfect makeup. Thank you so much. Voila! What do you say, great and powerful Oz?
Where do you think you're going, Scarecrow?
Look at my magic skirt.
Okay, let's scan you. Glinda, 20%.
What? 20? That's wrong. I'll fix it. It should be 100.
Nope, don't even try. You need to be a full wizard.
Oh, I think I have a plan. Oh, shh. Hi, cleaning service for the Land of Oz. Let me in?
Sure. Come on in. Wait a sec. Your mustache. There, now it's perfect.
Thanks.
Hey, wait. Are you trying to trick me? Out! Give me that broom. Fly away.
Ugh, it didn't work. What happened? My wizard looks only 20%. But I have an idea. We need music. Bye-bye, Dust. Let's dance. No. That's not my thing. Come on.
We're electric, we're the one. Take me higher, set my soul on fire, fire. 이 밤이 끝나지 않길 바라. Take me higher until we're tired. 영원히 계속 불 것만 같아. Feels like it lasts forever.
Wow, that was awesome. Oh yeah, I love my corset, but my hair. I need a new hairstyle. Yeah, this one doesn't match. Don't worry, I'll think of something. Let's see what hair gadgets I have. We can curl it or straighten it. What? It's empty. Sorry, I haven't done hair in ages. I know where to get some. Wow, I can buy everything I need here. But where's the cellar?
Welcome to the Oz Market. How can I help you?
Ugh, you scared me.
Oh.
Oh, I need that curling styler.
This gadget? Sure. Let me prep it for you. Power maximum. Here, all ready.
Wow, thanks. How do I look?
Fantastic. Just don't look in the mirror.
My hair!
Here's a whole basket of gadgets. I'm generous today, but nothing will help you now. That hat's perfect.
Oh, why are you wearing a hat? What happened? I don't want you to see. Got it. Critical situation. Okay, we can fix this. I have a special program. Take this tablet. We've got work to do. Ooh, what are you planning? Let's upload all gadgets into the tablet. Great. Now watch. We'll make your perfect look. Wow. Let's start. First, the hair dryer. Try it. Perfect. I like it. Not done yet. Let's color your hair. Wow. So white. Not quite right. Again. There. Wow, I love it.
I dance through the air wherever I go.
Perfect. You look amazing.
Under the sun's warm
Thanks, Elphaba.
life blooms around
Let's take a selfie.
ways.
Say wicked. Posting it. Upload. Oh, why so many dislikes? That's unfair. Don't worry about it. I know how to cheer you up. A fun dance.
The sun peeks through my window frame. It's like it knows
I've got an idea.
and whispers, "Hey, you're glowing today."
Uh-oh, what's that? He's making fun of me. Please, can I borrow your magic staff? Oh, I don't know. That's a big responsibility. Wow, look, the magic chose me. Boom! Oops, sorry, Elphaba. I didn't mean to. You must be super careful with magic. Give me back my shoes. There, all set. Can I have new shoes too, please? Yeah, those chickens don't suit you. Let's fix it. Wow, thank you so much. I love them. But I don't have a magic staff. Nothing works.
Oh.
Don't worry, I know how to help. Follow me.
What?
Where are we going? Elphaba, where are you? Come here. Okay. Here's your future magic wand. It's waiting for you. What am I supposed to do with this? Try using your magic. Okay, let's see. Nothing's happening. Come on, Glinda. I believe in you. Go. You can do it. Glinda. Okay, I can do it. Wow, it worked. Great job. Now you need practice. Wow, what do I do? Hit the targets. Right on spot, like this. Wow. Now your turn. Mine. Okay, I'll try. Wow, I did it! Amazing! You nailed it. Congrats.
Hey, you already look like a real witch.
Hi.
Want to see a trick? What's this? Ta-da! A ticket to the land of Oz. Do you want it?
Yes.
Not so fast. You've got to win it. Let's play. Guess where the ticket's hiding?
Okay, let's go.
Spin, spin, mix, mix. Pick one.
This one?
Nope, sorry. Second try. Spin, spin, mix, mix.
So fast, I can't keep up.
Oof, quick hands. Guess again.
I'll use my magic. Troom, trick. No ticket. Oh, there it is.
That's not what you think.
I found the ticket.
No fair.
Hey, that's my wand.
And that's all.
What? Wait! So unfair. Give me my wand back. Hey, are you alive? Oz!
Excuse me. Do you need help? Hold my popcorn. Let me remove my dummy. Vanish! There we go.
Wow!
Give the popcorn back.
So, can I go in now?
Let's check. Glinda, 90%. I know. You need a crown.
Got it! Where do I get one? Oh, I know! Here's the crown! How do I look?
Okay, you can pass. Close your eyes. No peeking. This is the way to the Land of Oz. Good luck.
Is this the Land of Oz? No, he tricked me! Fine, I'll make a real crown myself. But how? I'll think of something. What do we have here? Nope. Oh, not this. A cat's head? How'd that get here? Wire?
What?
Great idea. I can twist it into a tiara. Oh, still missing something. Need some gems. Oh yes, more sparkle and shine. Wow, perfect tiara. Oh, what's that flash? Paparazzi again. You look magical. Perfect.
Whoa.
Wait, something's missing. You need gloves. Right. Where can I get them? What can we do? I've got an idea. Hold this. Look!
What's this, a puppet show?
What?
These are my socks! Stop it, Bob! Don't bite Bob! Bad boy! Stop!
Ugh.
Do you need help?
I'll bite you, and I'll eat you. We gotta calm your socks down.
Gotta split them up. Come on, Elphaba.
Okay, here goes. Trip, trick.
Wow! So pretty! Perfect gloves! Thank you!
Here's your wand.
You look like a real Glinda now! Amazing! We can go to the Land of Oz! Wait! I'll open the portal myself!
Good job.
Go on, you've earned it! Be brave!
You again. Enough already. Let's see. 100%.
Yes!
What? Impossible. The scanner's broken. Let's try again. Nope. Still 100.
So, can I go in?
Ugh, fine. I've got a new plan. Revenge on Elphaba. Okay, 100% Glinda. You may enter.
Thank you! My dream come true!
Wait, no. You're not going in. Why not? Evil witches are not allowed. Evil witch! She's trying to sneak into the Land of Oz!
She doesn't belong here!
Calm down. I'll handle it. Tie up the evil witch.
Oh, Grey Wizard! You protected us!
Time to get out of here. Did you like the video? Like it, write a comment, and click on the bell to stay updated.